When you think of x-rays, you think that you just take a quick picture. Like, no, it's a lot more complicated than that. You have to position the body just right to move certain bones out of the way, and you have to know how to get the right shades of gray that you need, and there's so much that goes into it to make a picture truly perfect. Radiology is truly an art. I'm in the Rad Tech program. First week of the program, I quickly realized that it was challenging. It's definitely something you have to dedicate yourself to. It is going to push you to be a better student, to learn more, and to want better for yourself. The teachers want the students to succeed. They read the room. They will look at your faces, and if they feel like you're not getting it, they'll be like, okay, let's go to the lab, and they will physically show you. They will truly make sure you get it. Recently, I went to a seminar for board prep. So it was different colleges from all around, and she would ask us questions that were essentially board questions. And with Baker, that is like their main focus, that everyone needs to pass boards the first go around. They really prepare us for the future of what to come. Radiology is a stepping stone. You can do like specialty clinics, like an ortho clinic, where you're just doing patients that are gonna go to surgery all day long, or you can cross-train it into CAT scan, MRI, but X-ray is essentially the baseline of all these modalities. Imaging is such a vital part of medicine nowadays. They're always gonna need imaging all over the world. So I'm excited to see the world, but also further my education along the way.